been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another installation video. So today I'm going to be installing a 30-inch full frontal 13x4 wig. So today we're going to be using glue, and as per usual I'm going to be wiping off the makeup on my forehead so that the glue can adhere to my skin. So I'm dotting it in very small amounts, because when you are using glue you want to make sure that you use very thin layers, otherwise it's going to take forever to actually dry. So I'm doing 2 layers for this install, and I'm applying thin layers as I go, and I'm using a popsicle stick to blend out the glue, not really blend but spread it more so that it dries faster. I'm using a hair dryer just to quickly speed up the drying process. You can even leave it to air dry because glue doesn't necessarily take too long to get clear. However, it depends on the type of glue that you're using. I'm using a Ghost Bond and it really does not take long to dry.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
After it has turned clear, I like to go back in with my popsicle stick to spread out the areas that are still white. Now I'm putting on my wig, and excuse my wig guys, I've been wearing it for a couple of weeks and it has product buildup and it is heat damaged, especially the closure, but anyways this install still ate regardless. So I went off camera just to position the lace properly. So now I'm going in with more glue just on the areas that are still not sticking down. You want to make sure that you use your rectile tooth comb to make sure that you are able to control the amount of glue that you are applying, and you want to apply small sections once again, and make sure that you spread it out as you are applying it.
But I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in his hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Now I'm just sectioning out the hair. I should have actually done this from the beginning, but anyways, I'm realizing that my focus right now is the lace, so I need all the hair to be pushed back.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep, that's okay, just spread
And then I'm going in with my hair dryer just to dry up that glue.
me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know we're on the beat. Just wanna know what you're loving me for.
I'm going in with my comb to press down the lace, just to make sure that none of those flaps from the lace are still sticking out. Press that in with your comb and then dry that up completely. I'm going in with a wet wipe and rubbing alcohol just to clean up the glue that I don't really need on my forehead. Now I'm going in with the Glamour hairspray to make sure that the lace melts even more, and I did about 2 layers of that. You can also just use Glamour on its own. You don't really have to use glue if you don't really like using glue. However, just note that your install will not last longer as compared to using a glue. So yeah, it depends on how long you want to keep your install. If you want to use Glamour only, just know that you can remove your wig even after a day, and then if you want to use glue, you can keep it on for even up to a week.
I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
I'm taking a wipe just to wipe off the residue that the Glamour spray left.
This is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go when he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms, still wanna try, still believe.
I'm going in with my comb once again just to press down the lace, and then I'm going in with my lace melt band, and I'm going to keep that on for a good 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm removing both the lace melt bands. And now it's time to melt the lace further. I'm gonna go in with my cream stick foundation and just making sure that I get rid of the white cast that the lace comes with. And then after that, I'm taking my lace melt spray just to melt the lace along with the ISO Plus spritz.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do?
I'm drying that up once again before going in with another lace melt band just to ensure that my lace is fully melted.
Friend, I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
After 5 minutes, I like to take that off. You can keep it on for a little longer. Now I'm taking off my sectioning clips and just working on my parting. I decided to go for a middle part. I'm going in with the olive oil hair mousse to tame the flyaways. Now I'm going in with my serum, my silicone serum, and I'm just applying that all over the hair just to bring back the shine because it is looking a little dry. Now I'm going in with my heat defense spray because I'm going to go in with my straightener right after, just to straighten the hair. So I did my baby hairs off camera, but if you guys want to see how I do my baby hairs, you can go ahead and watch my previous video where I did them in detail. Now I'm just removing the line of demarcation on my forehead using my foundation. I went in with my contour brush just to darken that area a little bit. Now I'm going in with my wax stick. I'm just applying it all over the frontal and then going in with my hot comb.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.
I'm going in with my holding spray to make sure that no flyaways affect me throughout the day. Now I'm going in with my Hair Rescue Frizz Control spray, and then I'm also going to go in with my Hair Rescue Shine Restoration spray.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Now I'm working on my parting, and then I realized that my parting is actually not straight. However, I didn't really fix that. I just removed just a few hairs that were in the way in the front. It was still a bit skewed at the back, but anyways, we move. So I just went in with some concealer just to define that parting.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the pop. Let me tell something that you still think. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of.
This is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.